Lynn Taylor, and I'm an attorney with Woodruff, Johnson & Palermo. Today we're going to be discussing a few basic steps to take after you've been injured at work. When an employee is injured at work, taking steps to ensure their workers' compensation benefits are protected is often the furthest thing from their mind. Many times, an employee's claim may become problematic because some of the important initial steps are not taken in the aftermath of an injury. Today we'll be going through a few basic tips to remember in case you've been injured at work. First, be sure to fill out an accident report with your employer as soon as possible. This provides your employer with notice as to how and when the injury occurred. Be sure to detail the job duties you were engaged in at the time of the accident. Also note any parts of your body experiencing pain or symptoms at the time of the injury, no matter how minor. Oftentimes, injuries that seem minor at the time of an accident can cause significant symptoms in the hours or days following the accident. It's always a good idea to write down information about your accident for your own records. This can serve as a great reference for later in your claim when you need to remember important details. Be sure to include information such as where and when the accident occurred, what job duties you were engaged in when the accident occurred, the names of any witnesses, who you reported the accident to, and the pain and symptoms you experienced in each part of your body injured. Seek medical treatment as soon as possible after the accident. Commonly, employers will send injured employees to their occupational health facilities and may even tell an injured employee no benefits will be issued unless the employee sees the employer's doctor. This is not true. An injured employee is permitted to see any doctor of their choosing for their medical treatment. When you do see your doctor, provide a detailed account as to how the injury occurred and indicate the injury occurred while at work. Be sure to list any injuries and symptoms, no matter how minor, to ensure your injuries are documented in your medical records. This includes any symptoms you may not have initially felt but have developed between the time at which the accident occurred and when you first saw your doctor. Also, be sure after every doctor's visit, you get a work status note from your doctor and provide a copy of this to your employer so they are aware of your work status. Navigating a workers' compensation claim is often a complex process, and the most seemingly straightforward cases have a habit of becoming complicated and frustrating for the employee. If you've been injured in a workplace accident, you no doubt have questions. Contact Woodruff, Johnson & Palermo toll-free at 866-891-9211 to discuss any questions you have and see how we can assist you with your workers' compensation claim.